Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is Subaru BRZ R&D Sport. So the reason I went with this particular casting is, if you remember, I did unbox a Subaru back then. That is also Subaru BRZ. I don't remember which version it is, but that looked really amazing. I was a bit skeptical when I saw those, saw that casting in, images in Amazon and all. But when I bought that casting and I opened it in my hand, that looked really beautiful. So and it had some kind of, the spoiler is removable in that casting. You can just fix it back. All those things, it looked really awesome. So I went ahead and bought this one as well. Okay, so this is by Tomica and this is from the premium series, and the scale is 1/60. So that's the thing I really love about Tomica. They don't bullshit about the scales. They won't simply say it is, everything is 1:64 and all those things. So it actually varies. Okay, so let's open it. Again, I bought this for somewhere around 1100 or 1200, around that range. Okay, there is some paper, I don't know. So I'm seeing this paper everywhere, but I don't know what it is. Let me just put this inside. Nothing else is inside. Okay, let me just take out the casting. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions of this casting, my god, this looks absolutely beautiful. And it is actually a bit bigger because the scale is a bit different. And I mean, they did really an awesome job. Okay. Okay. So it does have acrylic headlights, which is really nice. Wow, that is really beautiful. I'm really awestruck on this one. The rims looks really nice. And okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. And so wow, it does have tail light details also. Tail light is also acrylic. It is not. It is acrylic. On top of that, it is painted in gray color. So the logo placement is really nice. You can see that here. So the spoiler is actually plastic. So when it comes to Tomicas, every time I see a spoiler is actually plastic. So this is the fuel cap here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that's the fuel cap. The livery looks really nice. Hood details are really nice. So there is some paint job issue here. I don't know. Yeah, here you can see it's a small scratch. I don't know. Out of the box, I'm getting a scratch. I'm not sure why. Usually I don't face any issue with Tomicas. Maybe out of 50, if I'm unboxing, maybe 2 or 3, but not more than that. It has grill details as well, which is really awesome. The wide body kit is so super cool. I really love that. And you can see the exhaust details here. I think this is the exhaust. Where is the box? Yeah, that is the exhaust. Okay, so the body kit is so gorgeous. I mean, and I can just look at it all day, man. I do have that other Subaru. I really want to keep it side by side and I want to just keep it on our display. But I don't have any space now, so I'm not keeping it in display, apart from whatever I already have. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. Okay, so one more thing is the wheels are actually plastic. So it is not rubber. Okay, let's do a... Okay, before that, let me just weigh this casting. It is a bit heavy, so I'm hoping that it would cross somewhere that 40 grams mark. Wow, awesome. That is 47 grams, which is really nice. I mean, I was expecting around that 45 to 50 range, honestly, but I was a bit skeptical because some casting it feels heavy, but it is not exactly that heavy. But this one actually matched that expectation. So Tomica always does the logos really beautiful. I never saw any issue with logos when it comes to Tomicas. Okay, let's do a roll test. I need to see whether it fits the track first. Yeah, it fits. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. I can say it doesn't roll at all, Maybe if you push it with your hand, it will. There's a lot of wheel wobble if you see. Okay. But if you just put it like this and see, I mean, let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, look at it now, how beautiful that is in this way. I mean, if you are going to showcase it, you will be showcasing it some way like this, right? So that is really beautiful. So let me just, okay, maybe once I complete this video session, I will be just looking at this for some time before I go to sleep. This looks absolutely gorgeous. So one more thing guys before I sign off, if you guys are wondering if you are able to get this casting, my personal suggestion would be go out and get it, because this looks absolutely phenomenal in every way. So with that said, thanks for watching this video guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And once again, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.